Hi, today I will introduce this 8-in-1 40K and the 80K cavitation machine. And this one is the standing machine. You can look it's very professional. Okay, then this machine has 8 functions for this machine. Then we do the text one by one. And the first one is the 40K cavitation is for this one. And the next one is for the 80K cavitation for this one. And the next one is the ultrasonic for this handle. Then the cavitation RF for this one, and the RF, fast RF for this handle, and the laser part. And this one is for the laser part. The machine including 4 big laser part and 2 small laser part. Total have 6 laser part for this machine. And the next one is for the body RF for this one. And the last one is for the cooling handle for this one. Okay, then we will try the handle one by one. Okay, then the first one we try the 40K cavitation. You can enter the interface. You can see the working time. You can adjust here. And this one is for the working handle. And the model, this handle is for switch model, ABC switch model. And the intensity, you can adjust 20 USR. 10, 9 or 10 is okay. Then we make some water to do the test. We make some water to do the text on the handle. You can see the power is very powerful. Enter the 80 cavitation. The same have 3 model here. Working time and the intensity. The same 20. Okay, this one is for the 80K cavitation. And the next one is the ultrasound. You can see the interface is the same as the 40K and the 80K cavitation machine handle. The model, 3 model the same. And you can adjust the intensity here. Okay, this one is the ultrasound. You can adjust the intensity. Then the text. You can adjust the model. Okay, the next one is for the vacuum RF handle. You can the same working time and the model here. You can adjust the suction for the handle working and pressures. And this one is the intensity here. Okay, then we do the text for the hand. You can see the suction. Okay, the next one is the fast RF. You can adjust the model here and adjust. Then we do the text on the skin. Put some gel on the skin, then start here. Okay, then we do the text for the skin. You can use this handle to do the fat lifting and the circle, and do the fat tightening and the fat lifting. You can feel a little hot on the skin. Okay, and the next one is for the body RF, the same as the 4 RF. This one you can use the body and the leg and the hand and to adjust the model, adjust the intensity here. This one, the same as the fat RF, put the gel on the skin, then like this to do the body slimming and the body lifting. You can, according to the customer feeling, and adjust the intensity. Okay, this is how to operate this 8-in-1 40K cavitation slimming machine. If you have any question, please contact us. Thank you.